Well, good afternoon. Let's do a quick rundown in soybeans. A little higher today, 3 cents-ish higher, about almost 1/4% higher in the day in terms of percentages. We're still close to contract highs. There's still a lot going on. We've got a fight for acreage, but let's say that new crop Nove is still $4 higher. Than basically $4 higher than its contract lows last August. That's some good going. So that's still a pretty strong position to be in. So keep that in mind. In May, the old January high of 1433 is going to be a key level, I think. We've poked our heads above 1450 for a bit, and we were met with some pretty good resistance. So kind of watch those areas. Those are technical areas that I've kind of got my eye keyed into. So that's something also. And now, as we have this fight for acreage, technicals do matter. I don't want to get too bogged down into the details, but just know that we've got a fundamental and technical schools of thought here, and the technicals kind of show up some days. For instance, each day that we don't have a China demand story or a fresh South American scare story, which would be fundamental, you'll see the technicals become more influential. So if you go to the papers, you don't get what you want to see, say, for fundamental news, then you're going to want to start to look at those technicals. Just a little heads up on how things trade. So, just going forward, again, we're going to have a fight for acres against, new crop corn, new crop beans. We'll see how that, plays out, but they're both holding in after the USDA report was fairly benign. And I would say that, you're going to have mostly position taking going into the rest of the month.